Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me today. In today's video, I want to share with you guys all of my top Dollar Tree finds. I am a girl who is always trying to save some money and find a great deal. I don't feel as if you should really pay full price for anything. So if you guys are just like me and trying to save some money, especially this year, now that the holidays have just passed, then please keep watching. So my first thing that I have been loving from the Dollar Tree, and it's a recent find, is going to be these vacuum storage bags. These are absolutely great. If you go to any store, there's probably going to be, you'll probably find them for about $9, $10, sometimes even $20, $30. And here you can get them for $1. What I really like to use them for is to store old blankets or things that we're not really using, as well as old clothes. So now that we're in the winter, I like to store all of my spring and summer clothes, especially a lot of Riley's clothes. Since she grows out of clothes pretty quickly, this is where I store everything, and it's easy to slip right under the bed and you don't have to worry about it taking up a lot of space. Sticking with storage, then I also like to pick up any type of storage bins or food storage, especially now that I am trying to eat healthier and meal prep. These come in handy. They have so many different sizes to choose from. This one has about 4 of them in it, and I got it for $1, which is like crazy because you can go anywhere else and spend way more money for that. So I like to switch up the different type of food storage bins that I purchase, and this is what I use to meal prep for the rest of the week. Sticking with a little bit more food storage, I also have these food storage bins. I'm not really sure if they're meant for storing food, but I like to use these to put any type of breadcrumbs, pasta, rice, and it's easier to manage and doesn't take as much room up in the pantry. And I will also leave a link down below and somewhere up on the screen for my pantry declutter and organization. You will see that I use these here and they are such a lifesaver. The last storage item is going to be these stack 'em up bins. Now it says it's for toys, kitchen, office, garage, or bathrooms. And again, I like to use this in our pantry just to store all of our cans. The great thing about these are they are stackable. So you can stack them up as high as you want and then just nicely and neatly store all of your cans. You could also use them for kids' toys because, as you know, kids' toys can get literally everywhere. So these are such a great deal. The Dollar Tree is another place that I like to pick up a lot of my poster boards. You can get so many different colors, and they even have the thicker ones as well. And these are great for any of your flat lays. Now that everybody's paying a lot of more attention to their social media, and who doesn't like a flat lay? These are such great, easy ways to just kind of create your own little flat lay for only $1. Another item that I like to pick up from the Dollar Tree are going to be these tea light candle holders. They come in about 3 different sizes, and I picked up, I don't remember how many I picked up, maybe about 30 or so when we were planning our wedding, and this is what we used to decorate our tables with, along with our centerpiece floral arrangement. Now we could have picked these up or rented them from our florist, but they would have been a lot more expensive. I also like to use these during my Christmas tablescape video. If you guys did catch that, it's another way to use as a centerpiece and really just upscale your look, and not to mention you're really not spending any money at all. Now you may not be able to find these in your specific Dollar Tree, but these are something that you can purchase online and have them shipped to the store. That's how I purchased them, so you can get them in a bigger bulk and you don't have to worry about kind of just grabbing and stopping off at multiple stores just to get however many you actually need. I have 2 more items, and the next one are going to be these stick-up air fresheners. These are perfect for small spaces. What I like to use these for are to stick them on the top of your garbage can. So this way that it doesn't allow the smell to get out. It kind of just helps contain it. I also like to use these in Riley's diaper pail because diapers can get a bit stinky. So this just kind of helps reduces on the smell. The last Dollar Tree item, which is maybe one of my favorites, is going to be the Sunday paper. I know you're probably thinking, what's so great about the Sunday paper? But this can run you anywhere between $3 and $4, and you're only getting it for $1. Now, I will say that at least in my area, not every single Dollar Tree does sell this. So this is probably going to be something that you might need to shop around. But once you find that Dollar Tree, never pay full price for the Sunday paper again. And the reason that everybody is always trying to pick up the Sunday paper is because they have coupons inside, and this allows you to save some money when you're going food shopping.